In the previous tutorial above, I showed you step-by-step how to use Google Flow Storyboard Studio to turn any simple idea or script into a complete visual storyboard in just a few minutes. And after watching that video, many of you asked the same question: how do we animate these storyboard images? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to take your storyboard scenes and transform them into fully animated video clips using Google Flow. No complicated editing, no advanced animation skills, and no expensive software required. We'll go through the entire process together, from selecting your storyboard scenes to generating smooth cinematic animations that bring your story to life. So if you're ready to turn your static storyboard into an actual video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to AI Pipeline, and let's jump right in. As you can see on my screen, I've generated another storyboard using the same prompt from the previous tutorial. And honestly, the results came out really well. The scenes look consistent, the characters maintain their appearance across the storyboard, and the overall visual quality is impressive. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you're not locked into these results. If there's a particular image that you're not completely happy with, you can always regenerate it. Feel free to experiment and generate multiple variations until you find one that matches your vision. Take your time reviewing each scene and make sure everything looks the way you want before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the generated images and you're happy with the overall storyboard, simply click Done to proceed to the next step. Next, click on All Media. As soon as you do that, you'll see all the storyboard visuals that were generated appear directly inside the Flow canvas. This gives you a complete view of all the scenes in one place, making it much easier to organize and work with your project. Before moving on, I recommend taking a moment to review your images one more time. You can open them individually and preview each scene from beginning to end to make sure everything looks the way you want. Check that your characters remain consistent, the environments match your story, and the overall visual quality meets your expectations. This is also a good opportunity to spot any scene that may need adjustments before we start animating. Once you've gone through the images and you're happy with the results, we're ready to move on to the next stage and begin turning these storyboard visuals into actual video clips. To do that, simply add the images to the chat one after another, starting from the first scene and working your way through to the last scene in the correct order. For this demonstration, I'll only be using the first 3 scenes. The process remains exactly the same if you're working with a larger storyboard. Once your images have been added, make sure that Google Flow Agent Mode is turned on. This is important because Agent Mode can automatically analyze your storyboard frames, understand the sequence of events, and handle much of the animation process for you. With Agent Mode enabled, enter a simple prompt like, animate the attached images sequentially using VO 3.1 Lite. You can use any available video generation model you prefer, but for this tutorial, I'll be using VO 3.1 Lite since it consumes fewer credits while still producing great results. After submitting the prompt, the AI agent will begin processing the images. It will analyze each scene, generate motion, and transform the static storyboard frames into animated video clips. Depending on the complexity of your scenes, this may take a few moments to complete. Once the generation is finished, you'll have individual video clips for each storyboard scene. Let's preview one. From there, simply download the generated clips and import them into CapCut or your preferred video editor. Arrange the clips in the correct sequence, add sound effects, music, voiceovers, or transitions if needed, and you'll have a complete animated story ready to share. And that's really how simple the process is. Google Flow handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to go from storyboard images to animated video clips with just a few clicks. I hope you found this helpful.